people of YouTube. I wanted to show you my animals today. First off will be the guinea pigs and the bunny. And the bird. Here's my lovebird, Applejack. Oh, be quiet. There's the bird. And he's a lovebird. On to the Flemish rabbit, Delilah. Here, I'll show you her in light. Come here, babies. Oh shit. Just sit right there. That's little baby Delilah's. She's a bunny. That's her little tail. Okay, no eating the paper. And that's my brother and his friend painting, and they are animals too. On to my guinea pigs. This is Mopsy. She's a bunny. Mopsy, say hi, you're going on YouTube. You can't see her right now, but she is really nice. This is Marvin the guinea pig. Here's a fat guinea pig. And this is Cupcake the guinea pig. Say hi, Cuppers. And on to the chickens. I have baby chickens and really, really big chickens. Well, not really big, but medium size. That's my dog. Hello, chickies. Those are chickens. See? That one, that yellow one is Tweety. The brown one behind her is Dancer. That one's Angel, the black one, and the other yellow one's Sweetie. And they are sleeping. If you heard that dog bark, that was my dog. This is my doggy, Casey. Say hi, Casey. He's really old. And then, I'll show you, I'm flying. And then I'll show you my big chickens. These are my big chickens. This is Lucy. She looks really small, but that's her breed. If all of you, none of you, okay. Hold on. Okay. That's Snow White. That one is, that one's Sleeping Beauty. That one's Cinderella. And that one's Belle. So, in total, I have 4 baby chickens. I have 5 big ones, so 9. And that is the tour of my home. And then I have a goat somewhere else, but you can't see him today because he's not at my house. And just so you guys know, it's Mr. Muffin is my best friend. It's an account on Facebook. Yep. That's my doggy again. Say goodbye, Casey. This is me saying goodbye, people of YouTube.